Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a sneak peek of some of the Scrap Diva design project shares for the November release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using my code PRISCHEMIC10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have some of these winter flowers. I think they're really pretty and elegant and so delicate. It goes great on your projects, and they have a small size, a medium size, and a large size in the set. And it comes in a template so you can just punch them all out really quickly, and you can make these really quickly. I just love these. And also what I did here was I did the petals alternating a little bit to the side here so that you can see the green leaves on the bottom here. And I also added some gold glitter. So some gold glitter, I believe this is like gold glitter glue stickles in the middle here. And afterwards I added these Nouveau crystal drops to make it more dimensional, and like they're like domey here, like you can see how it's domed and clear. I think I would want to make the dome a little bit bigger to cover the whole circumference of this flower. So that's what I'm going to do next time. And for this red one, what I did was I made 5 different dots in here, and then so that's why it looks a little bit not circly and more natural, because that's what I did. And then I added the Nouveau drops on top of it. And for these ones, these pink ones, I've splattered some watercolor paints on there, and it looks really pretty with that effect on there. Can even do it on the red one. It'll show up even more with the red one. I think it'll look so super pretty. So yes, these are the winter flowers. Let me just put these aside over here, and let's move on to the next project. The next project I have here is this one. It's super duper cute. This one is the, let's see what this one is, gingerbread cookie bag topper. And this gingerbread cookie bag topper is really awesome because it has both sides you can do. So it includes both sides of the dies. So here it has a girl and a boy gingerbread holding hands. It's really super cute, and it includes this bow, the eyes. And what I did is some of them I added some, like I drew in the eyelashes for the girl, and then the guy here for the mouth, I used the eye and I made it into a mouth here like that. So yeah, and these clothes I kind of cut out myself over here, and the scarf I also cut out, just like I just cut it out like with just my like scissor. You can even trace out like a scarf outline and then cut out a piece of it, and so it's really cute. And I added some scribblies for the icing, additional details, and added this candy cane. It's like super awesome. And this foam is kind of like glittery. I don't know if you can see it. It's it acts like an icing, and yeah, it's just so cool. Love this. And it says do not open until December 25th. And then the other side, I did the opposite colors, and it's just super cute. And this one says no peeking, do not shake. And so you can add this onto your bags and all your nice treats, and it'll look so cute. and decorated your bag. You can even add it to your like kind of like packages like this, and then you can add it on top like that. It looks so cool. So yeah, and this paper collection here is I used the Holly Jolly Holiday from Crepe Paper. It's like a long time ago, maybe a year or two ago, this paper collection. Just love this. And I just love how the bag topper, this base piece, is all one piece. So you don't have to like attach it or anything on both sides. It's just like one whole piece. So super duper awesome. And you can also cut out these gingerbreads and add it to anywhere else. And there's a lot of tag sets for this release, so it'll look also nice on those tags. And I'm going to show you one set this video, and there's many more coming up. So yeah, so this is the gingerbread cookie bag topper. And now we're going to go to the Wavy Oval with bow tags. There's a small one and a large size one, and oh, I just love these so much. And sorry about this. Yeah. So these tags are really, really pretty. And you can add charms here. I have all these like cherry charms that are like really cute, but I didn't end up adding them on because I just thought it looked okay just as is. Like I have these charms that you can add like onto your chain for the tags, even these ones. So many different charms I have, and I have a ladybug charm. Not sure where I put my ladybug charms. Oh, here they are. Like it'll look so great on your projects. So it's just so many options here. So these ones are the smaller ones, so I'm just gonna compare it for the size. So that's the small and this is the large, as you can see. And let's talk about the smaller ones. And so these smaller ones, this collection is called Cherry Sweet by Prima Marketing, and it's like a Frank Garcia design. And so I just really love this collection a lot. It's very elegant and shabby chic, if that's your thing. So this bow comes with the tag, and it comes with also these, and there's also a light bulb, but a Christmas light bulb, but I didn't make that. But yeah, so there's these ones. I just love the layering of this tree here, and you can add it to your tags. It'll look so awesome. And the candy cane as well is included with these tags. So we have the bows included, and the side piece here. You can also layer it. You don't have to make it into a shaker. I made it into a shaker, but there's like 3 layering pieces. So yeah, it'll look so awesome with the layering of this tag. And I've added some really cool like little flowers in there to match the background. And this bow is super awesome too. It's included with the set, and you can layer the bow. And I also added some watercolor specks, some gold watercolor specks on there. And this cute butterfly and the hedgehog among the winter flowers. It's like so pretty. And you know, you can even have it holding a candy cane like this, or it'll be like a background. In the larger tag, you can have the tree at the back. It's just so cute. So yeah, and I added this ball chain to the tag. You can add a ribbon, that'll also look really pretty, or you can add a ribbon onto your ball chain. So many different options. And this will look so pretty on your Christmas box, the Christmas present or gifts, your bags, gift bags, and I'm even thinking putting it on my purse or my bag. It looks so cute, or my backpack. We'll see. So that's one version, and here I have another version. Oh, I did not read what it said here. It says, "Let your heart soar." And then we have this one is, "Here is everywhere I want to be." So cute. And we have this pink one, the larger one. So pretty. I've added some of these rose nail embellishments and some pearls and some sequins, and this really pretty goose. And here's that bow. And these flowers, the winter flowers. And this one says, "And suddenly you made my," this flower kind of moved. "And suddenly you made my heart smile." Yeah, this flower loves to move a lot. I'm just gonna glue it down, hot glue it maybe. There we go. And here, see these tags? You could also make it into a card. Look how pretty this is, this card. Oh my goodness, I just love this. And this is coming from this blank card that I got. It was from Michael's from a long time ago, and it came in like so many packs of cards here in the envelope, and it includes it. And you just add the tag on, and it'll just make a really great Christmas or any kind of birthday card or a greeting card. So so pretty, just love this. And then inside I added some of these cherries. There's like many different kinds of cherries. There's like ones with just one cherry, a single cherry here. Not sure if you can see it. And yeah, it's so pretty. Just love it. And this little ladybug is on her dress. And then there's a butterfly coming to the cherries, and it's just so sweet. And this one says, "You are the sweetest feeling." And then you have these the winter flowers again. It's just so pretty. Love it. And so let's move on. Finally, we have the final project here. Final project we have is this one. I'm just like, really love this so much. This one is called the 3D envelope box. This 3D envelope box is, it could hold so much stuff in here. I'm just like so amazed. It's so beautiful. It includes this bow. I added some metallic watercolor onto this bow. And this cherry is also from scrapdivadesigns, from a release from maybe a year or two ago. This heart cherry is super cute. This heart cherry has a small and a large. I believe this is the smaller one. I'm not quite sure. I'll put it in the description box, the link to specifically for this cherry. And also this 3D envelope box includes this postage stamp, and also another one that is heart shaped like a postage stamp. So yeah, and it's like I've layered it, and I added a butterfly on top, and it's like going onto these flowers. And here's some more butterflies, and I added some gems here. It's like a trailing kind of flying butterfly path. And also these really nice embellishments. I've added this cute hedgehog holding a letter, and it's going to the parcel post. and there's some more letters here, and I've added these winter flowers around here as well, and also I added this flat back kind of bow, so it acts like a handle, and I thought that was like really cool. And it's easier to open this box by just pulling the handle like that, and it's like so pretty. And after that, yeah, so here you see these empty blank cards that you can put. It fits up to A2 size cards, and here I have that card here. You can add it in like this. Well, of course, it's like in the envelope, and I think this is great for postcards too, not just letters, anything that you can fit in here. So postcards, I'm thinking I'm going to make some postcard themes with this Cherry Sweet collection and add it in there. And anything like, you know, people sending you postcards, you can, you know, secure it safely inside this box too. And, you know, you have a whole collection of postcards and different types of cards in here, and you can also gift this with like a lot of your cards and a lot of paper embellishments that you want to give for snail mail or happy mail, whatever it is. Yeah, it's just like so pretty. I love this box. It's so nice. So yes, I'll put all the links, my referral link and the specific links to the products, as well as my discount code for 10% off your entire purchase, will be all in the description box below. The discount code is prisgemic10 for 10% off. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!